Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to design a esports jersey using 3D mockup template from yellowimages.com and ready background design from 3pic.com. So before we start guys, if you're new here in our channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell. So let's start. So as you can see here, we have a high resolution 3D mockup from Yellow which is, if you zoom in, it has a look and feel like a dry fit fabric. So this is perfect if you are going to design a full sublimation jersey. It can be you can use this to design a soccer jersey, sport jersey, or any sports wear or jersey design that you can think of. So we have this jersey, this design is ready made from freepic.com, which you can download for free. So first, just copy this this image, then go back to the jersey file. Then make sure this highlights and shadows is locked. Now click on the jersey design, this main body page. Just double click on it. Then Control V or Command V in your keyboard. Then just drag to cover all the area, then click save or hit Ctrl S or Command S on your keyboard, then go back to check if that is okay. So for me this is perfect. Now we will go to the sleeves area. Sorry. Okay, just click on the sleeves area, then double click, then place again, and make sure to cover all the blue area. Just drag and save, then do that to the other sleeves. Just paste, hit OK, drag, enter, save. Then you can see we have put the print pattern in both sleeves and the front body. Now click on the collar, then click new layer, and we will be using the gray color from the pattern. Just paste and click on the eyedrop tool. Then we will be using the gray base. Okay, then just delete that, then hit the letter G in your keyboard, or click this paint bucket tool, then click once to apply the gray shades color, then save. As you can see, we have here now our color with gray base color. Then we will also apply that base color on the neck part or back part neck of the collar. Okay, save. Then also in this inner part, we will apply that gray shades. Okay, and lastly the neck or the taping side, we will going to apply the red color. So again, eyedrop tool, we'll get this red shade, delete, we'll create new layer, then click this build bucket tool, click once, save. Okay, and now we are going to put our logo. Okay, just drag and drop your logo in the front then make sure your logo is below this shadow layer. Okay, if you zoom in, because as you can see, there is a effect or a realistic view of the sublimation or sublimated print on the jersey. So now we have our final front design, so we will go to the back view of the t-shirt. Again, we will just apply the same steps that we did in the front area. Just paste the background image, then save. So maybe we can click this image to make this more realistic. Okay, then same on the sleeves, just paste the background image, adjust, enter, save, close, and again the same steps. Lastly, we will be coloring our neck collar, back area. So we are going to apply the gray that we applied earlier. So for us to see that color again, just click view or the swatches rather, then click on the gray that we have selected earlier. I think this is the one, or maybe this one. Oh yeah, the darker shades. Okay, check. Okay, so we have now our final design of Esports Jersey using ready-made 3D mockup template from Yellow Images and ready-made background design from freefit.com, which you can download the background design free to use, and the jersey or the 3D mockup jersey, you can buy this on their website. So again, this jersey is not free, so please visit their website. I will put the link on the description below. So again, guys, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thanks guys.